Good morning, guys. So I got a package today from Yves Saint Laurent. And so, yeah, hopefully I didn't show my address. I hate having to blur stuff out in my videos, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys and show you guys what I purchased. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so I got myself Libre. I really wanted the really big bottle, but they actually sold out. I think it's like a 6 ounce or something. So I just got the 3. I think it's a 3 ounce. Yeah, just the 3 ounce. So I got that, and then I also got 2 samples, of course. So I ended up getting Mon Petit Couture because I have the regular Mon Petit, and I've heard this one is better. I want to try some different flavors of it, and this is Mon Petit Perfume Floral. Whatever. I'm excited about this. Okay. Ignore my nails. I actually broke some and then decided not to paint them, and I actually have a polygel kit, but it sucks. If you guys can recommend good polygel that I can buy on Amazon or AliExpress, please let me know in the comments below so I could do my nails with polygel, because I'm getting kind of tired of painting them and doing regular gel. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so if you've seen YouTube, you have seen the packaging, and this is what it looks like. It's super beautiful. It has like the YSL emblem across the bottle, and then just like the really pretty slanted black top. I think it looks incredibly classy. Of all the YSL or Yves Saint Laurent like perfumes that I have or I've ever seen, this is the most beautiful package. So I'm going to put the notes up on the screen. I'm sure you guys, if you watch YouTube videos or fragrance reviews, you are maybe familiar with the notes, but the big thing here is this is a lavender vanilla perfume. You guys can see, but they also had engraving for free. So I engraved my initials on the bottle, and I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to spray it on my hand, and then I'll tell you guys what I think. So on the first opening, it's very like fresh. You get like this beautiful like fresh lavender. Like the opening's really bright. A lot of people have said that it's nothing like Mon Guerlain, which also has a lavender note. I have to agree, it's completely different. This is a very good signature scent. I completely disagree with people who say this is people are saying, oh, this is so masculine. No, like the vanilla in here is very well balanced. I smell some sort of a citrus opening on the top, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's bright and fresh, but also like as it's drying down on my skin, I can smell like a beautiful warm vanilla. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I have nothing like this in my collection. I think this is also people may get mad at me. I think this is a crowd-pleasing perfume. I think a lot of people would like this. It's beautiful. I could see this being something in the next 5 years that people try and recreate, and then like 5 years from now, people are not going to love this because there's going to be 20 or 30 different other brands that have made a perfume that smells like this. But as of right now in 2020, this is, well, 2019, when this perfume, I believe it was made in 2019, it's unique. It's very unique, and it smells really beautiful. If you don't like vanilla, I always try to say this for my vanilla haters because this is a vanilla perfume. I still think you would love this. This is different than Mon Guerlain. Like I said, Mon Guerlain to me is a little bit more vanilla heavy than this. This one you can smell the vanilla, but it's a very, very, very clean vanilla, bright fragrance, and the lavender is not like too herbal. It's a very clean lavender. This is a very beautiful, clean, like slightly oriental, beautiful perfume. Beautiful. All right, guys, so that's my impression of Libre. If I had to rate it on a 1 to 10 basis, I would give it a 9. It's actually quite beautiful. I will let you guys know an update when I wear it a little bit more. I can test like the longevity and the projection. I can tell you already, just sprayed on my hand, like I can smell it from like holding the camera. The projection is good, okay? There's no issue with projection, I'm sure. But I'm going to test it on my skin for a few days and tell you guys what I think. But on first impression, it's absolutely gorgeous. It smells really good. Even if the bottle was completely ugly, this is a perfume I would pick up. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave the link to Yves Saint Laurent below. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I got this like in an incredible deal just from waiting, and I want you guys to take advantage of it too. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.